As an MSP or MSSP owner, you have to understand, like, when you're running ads on Google and you got an offer that's like working good for you and you want to go try it on a different system, a traffic system, like let's say you take a cybersecurity risk assessment offer and it's working really well on Google Ads or Google SEO, and then you take it and you dump it into Facebook ads and it doesn't work. If that happens to you, please don't be one of those people that looks at Facebook and goes, well, this doesn't work, so let's just trash it and not use it. You need to understand that each and every traffic channel, traffic system, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, well, Facebook and Instagram is kind of like the same, TikTok, Google, they all have different ways to communicate on there. And the reason for that is because the audience, even if it's the same person, like if you're going after like IT directors, the way they operate on LinkedIn is going to be different than the way they operate on Facebook or Instagram. And it's going to be completely different than the way they operate on Google. And so if your offer is working on Google, it's because people are searching for it. It's like intent search, right? And if you have like SEO, you got like blogs and content going on. And so people are building that trust with you. But if you use that same, offering on Facebook or Instagram, it's not going to really work because they don't have that same ability to build that trust with you, and you need to build that trust way quicker. And so let's say basic type of cybersecurity risk assessment isn't going to work. Now, the concept of doing audits or assessments, they work, right? That's what does work. That whole philosophy of selling audits and then upselling your MSP or MSSP services, that's phenomenal. But what I'm saying is the way you package it and the way you position it needs to shift based on the platform. So if you're running a cybersecurity risk assessment on Google Ads and Google SEO and that's working, great, keep it going. But then if you want to turn around and run something for Facebook and Instagram, you got to package that differently. Now, I'm not going to go exactly how to do that. It's like a whole thing. I mean, we do exactly that for our clients, but you just want to make sure, hopefully you take this video and you go back to your team and you're like, all right, guys, so this process does work. Let's just make sure we change it up and we communicate properly for the audience that's on Facebook and Instagram or whatever ad platform that you decide to go with next.